Hey, today at this station we're going to keep talking about patterns, just number patterns of today, not any more of the shape or color patterns. So today with number patterns we're just going to look at patterns that increase by the same amount every time. So we'll start off with something like this. When we have the numbers and the comma, this is just like a number set. So we're looking at a number set right here with 12 and 15. And now we're going to try to figure out what's next. So we went from 12 to 15. The biggest trick that I teach my third graders is to just find two numbers that are beside each other in the pattern. I call them neighbor numbers. So I always tell my students look for neighbor numbers. So here's two neighbor numbers. And then you have to just look at the smaller one and you're going to count on from there till you hit the big one. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take 12 and then we're going to count up to 15. So how many numbers are after 12 until I hit 15? I'm going to count 15 as one of those numbers. So here you go, 12, there's 13, 14, 15. That's three numbers that we've increased by. So this is going to be a +3 pattern for what we're doing today. So from here we can take this rule now, it's an add 3 pattern or a +3 pattern. We can take this rule and we can put it behind 15. So we can take 15 and we can plus 3 more or add on 3 more and we're going to find out what's next here. So we take 15 and then we're going to add on 3 more. 16, 17, 18. Alright, and we could just keep taking that +3 if we could keep it going if we wanted to. And we could make a bigger set. 18, count on 3 more. 19, 20, 21. Alright. Let's look at one more just to make sure we're getting it. Alright? Alright, this one's an interesting one and it can trick you guys sometimes as third graders because you're used to seeing like this certain skip counting pattern just one way. But this is going to be something that might surprise you when we're done. So this is 67 and 77. So what we do is we still do the same thing we did for the first one. We look at two neighbor numbers, two numbers beside each other. 67 and 77. So I'm going to start at 67, count up if you have a number line, that's fine, or a hundreds chart to help you. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Alright, that's 10 spaces. So even though it might not look like your regular skip counting by tens, there are 10 numbers in between. So we're going to take that rule, that +10 rule, and we're going to add on from the next one. So 77, let's find the next neighbor number of 77. 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. We added 10 more. We've got 87. And then you can kind of do it in your head after this because you see the pattern. You see in the tens place you're going up by 110 every time. And in the ones place you're staying 777. So you might guess or be able to figure out that the next number would be 97. And then from there you go on 10 more would be 107. Alright. At your station now I'd like you to look at the half sheet that's at your desk. And there are very similar problems that I'm going to have you continue the pattern for. There are 8 that I have on the paper, and try to get as many done as you can in the time you have. Alright, good luck. If you need a hundreds chart, there will be one at the desk.